ATAC stands for the Advanced Therapies Apprenticeship Community. We're a collaborative effort between about 50 companies. ATAC offers a variety of apprenticeships in science and engineering geared towards skilling apprentices in advanced therapies and in particular cell therapy and gene therapy manufacturing.
What first inspired me to work in life sciences is when I was studying biology in GCSE. I got really inspired that I could make a positive impact in the future.
I chose an apprenticeship over going to university because I think that there's a lot more options with an apprenticeship. The way that you learn at uni is through exams and lectures, whereas you learn a lot more industry-based techniques during your apprenticeship. There's no student debt associated with an apprenticeship. I also get paid for what I do, so I'm coming out of this with a lot more experience and in a much better financial position than people may be if they come out of uni.
My work week tends to be very busy. I work a lot during analytical testing. We also maintain our labs every week. And the most interesting thing I have worked on is my lab ownership with a tissue culture lab, and it just gives me a lot of responsibility as an apprentice. The industry that I work in is quite male-dominated, however, ATAC has a very diverse community.
I think some people might choose the university route over the apprenticeship route because of the social aspect, but I think the social aspect's just as good in the apprenticeship as it is at university. You meet people, you get to share your experiences and also have social nights out and things like that with people you meet.
The qualifications that you would need to apply in order to be an ATAC apprentice would normally be in biology at A level, but we have qualifications at every level from level 3 to level 7, so depending on what qualifications you've got, we can probably find something for you.
If someone was considering an apprenticeship, I'd say to them to go for it. It's really an interesting way to go through your career, and there's lots of ways that you can enter the apprenticeship route through the government website, through organisations like ATAC. When you're applying for an apprenticeship, they're not looking for the person with the most knowledge, they're looking for someone who's really passionate about what they want to do and who will progress through the company and be willing to learn. Every day in life science, you're helping to improve someone's life, all working to a goal to improve the livelihoods of people with a variety of illnesses.
This apprenticeship has really helped me to kickstart my career in an area I'm really passionate about, and I can't wait to see where it goes in the future.
So far I've done 2 apprenticeships. I couldn't recommend them more. It's given me a lot of prospects for the future and I've really enjoyed all the time I've done them.